In our office, we take pride in adhering to the highest possible infection control standards. We scrub our hands before and after each appointment and always put on a new pair of disposable gloves. We wear masks and protective eyewear. All instruments are regularly sterilized, and our handpieces are always sterilized between patients. We use disposable supplies. Water lines are cleaned regularly according to standards published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Protective barriers are placed on exposed surfaces, and we disinfect all other surfaces according to government standards. We dispose of biodental waste and sharp instruments in safe containers provided by a biomedical disposal company. All staff members are vaccinated for hepatitis B, and we regularly update infection control procedures for all staff members. We adhere to these infection control procedures because your health and welfare are very important to us.